Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, what's the real reason we age? We see the wrinkles, the gray hair, the slowing down. But what if the secret to aging isn't on the surface? What if it's hidden deep inside every single one of our cells, on a microscopic biological clock? Today, we are talking about telomeres. Telomeres are repetitive, non-coding DNA sequences at the ends of chromosomes that act as protective caps, preventing them from fraying, tangling, or fusing with other chromosomes during cell division. With each cell division, telomeres naturally shorten, which acts as a biological clock. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and enters a state of senescence or dies. Now, imagine your DNA is like a shoelace. What's at the end of a shoelace? That little plastic cap, right? It stops the lace from fraying and unraveling. Well, telomeres are the biological equivalent of those caps. They're repetitive DNA sequences that sit at the ends of our chromosomes, protecting the important genetic information inside. The ticking clock. Every time one of your cells divides, to heal a wound, grow new hair, or replace old cells, its telomeres get a little bit shorter. It's a natural part of the process. They're like a fuse burning down. The cell can divide about 50 to 70 times before its telomeres become so short that the cell can no longer divide safely. At this point, the cell either enters a state called senescence, a kind of cellular retirement, or it triggers its own death, a process called apoptosis. This shortening process is a key reason we age. It's what drives the aging of our tissues and organs, leading to the physical changes we see and feel. It's a built-in timer, ticking down our lifespan. Telomeres and disease. It's not just about getting older, though. Research has found a strong link between telomere length and various age-related diseases. People with shorter telomeres tend to have a higher risk of developing conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. But why? When telomeres get too short, the chromosome can become unstable. This can lead to genetic errors and mutations, which are the very foundation of diseases like cancer. Think of it this way: the short telomeres are like a broken fence, allowing intruders, in this case, genetic instability, to get in. The quest for immortality. So, if short telomeres are the problem, what's the solution? Scientists have long been fascinated by a special enzyme called telomerase. Telomerase is like a repair crew for your shoelaces. It adds back those repetitive DNA sequences to the ends of the telomeres, effectively reversing the shortening process. Most of our cells have very low levels of this enzyme, which is why our telomeres shorten. But there's a fascinating exception: stem cells and, controversially, cancer cells. Cancer cells often have high levels of telomerase, which allows them to divide endlessly and become immortal. This discovery has opened up a whole new frontier. If we could find a way to safely activate telomerase in our healthy cells, could we slow down or even stop the aging process? Could we extend our healthy, active years? This is the core of longevity research. Can you slow the clock? While we wait for the science to catch up, there's good news. Your lifestyle choices can actually have a real impact on your telomere length. Studies have shown that a healthy diet, regular exercise, and managing stress can help preserve telomere length. So, what you do every day matters, not just for your health today, but for the health of your cells far into the future. The story of telomeres is a powerful reminder that the biggest secrets of our existence are often hidden in the smallest places. It's a tiny clock, ticking away inside all of us, that may one day hold the key to a longer, healthier life. What do you think? Would you want to live forever if you could? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. See you next time.